Hello students, today we are going to discuss 24-hour clock time. So the clocks that we use in our houses, they are of 12-hour format. That is, they show the same timing 2 times in a day. Yes, the 12-hour clock, it tells the same time twice in a day. Whereas a 24-hour clock, it tells time from midnight to midnight. That is from 12 in the night to the 12 o'clock in the next night. That is, it shows the time from 1 to 24. Whereas the 12-hour clock, it shows the timing from 1 to 12 and then again from 1 to 12. So from the night in the 12 o'clock in the night to afternoon 12 o'clock, it shows the time AM, and the time which is shown after noon, from 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is called as PM. So this is the difference between a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. But sometimes what happens, a confusion is caused because of this AM and PM. Suppose there is a boy or a man or some person who wants to go to some other place and he has boarded the ticket of a flight and the time given to him is 4:15, but he does not exactly know whether it is 4:15 am, that is early morning, or 4:15 pm, that is in the evening. So this causes a confusion, and that is why the need of 24-hour clock was felt, and so a 24-hour clock was invented. So students, a 24-hour clock can be seen at the airports, bus stands, then railway stations, also in the hospitals we can see these 24-hour clock. It is a digital clock, right? And in order to avoid the confusion between AM and PM, a 24-hour clock has been invented. Now I will show you the clocks that are using 12-hour format and a 24-hour format. The pictures are given in your book. I will show you the pictures, and also I will give you details about both these clocks. So students, here you can see two clocks, right? So this clock, you can see what is the time. Let us see, the shorthand is showing pointing towards 3, and the long hand, that is the minute hand, is 1 division before 2. So we can say it is 3 o'clock, and after 3 o'clock it is 9 minutes, or we can say 9 past 3, right? In the other watch, here you can see this is a digital watch, 1509, right? So students, this watch is a 12-hour format watch, and this watch is showing 24-hour format. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So the same time is shown by both these clocks. The first clock is a 12-hour clock. It tells us the time twice a day. Same time is told 2 times a day. We use AM and PM to indicate which part of the day. We already know that from the night 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock we use AM, and from afternoon 12 o'clock to night 12 o'clock we use PM. This watch is not having any AM or PM confusion because this is a 24-hour format clock. This clock is a 12-hour format clock, so it shows the timing from 12 midnight to the next 12 in the midnight. As we all know that one day is having 24 hours, and so this clock shows the timing from 0 to 24, and this clock, it shows the timing of only 12 hours. So all the numbers, they are used twice, right? From 1 to 12, then again from 1 to 12, but in this watch from 1 to 24 is shown. Students, a 12-hour clock shows from 12 midnight to 12 noon and again 12 midnight. So from 12 midnight to 12 noon, from 12 noon to 12 midnight. So it completes 2 rounds. But a 24-hour clock, it shows 00 hours in the midnight, then 12 hours in the noon, that is afternoon, and 24:00 or 0 hours in the midnight. So also we have to keep in mind that midnight is called as 24 hours if used for the end of the day, and 00 hours if used for the beginning of the day. For example, Wednesday at 24 hours and Thursday at 00 hours means exactly the same.